Guys, it's Miss Jenita back again with another video about my pantry. Still in the decluttering stage. Still in the decluttering. I'll be looking for my I often been cut it out. I found my coconut flour cookbook hiding in the dang pantry, stacked on top of the food. Well, today about, got some greens back there. Oh, these are egg noodles. This is the, I think dusty too. This is the, gather on Target. Today I'm on some more chicken patties. Can you imagine? That's all right. I've got plans to make, shoot. What's back there? All this stuff needs straightening out. But we know that, I know that, you know that. Ooh, my little paper falling all over the place. Oh, this is my small, what is this? A 14.5 ounce can of Glory turkey flavored collard greens. Tomato, okra, and corn. I think we should have some of that. Yeah, I'm gonna eat some of this today with the rice. My husband, he wants some more rice. He gotta cut it out on that rice. That rice is shooting. The date on here. September the 23rd. So I'm gonna have 2 cans of these. Give a little rice. I know better with the rice. I eat rice in very low moderation. Got some yeast that may not be all right. Oh, my pie crust. I'm supposed to be, I gotta make my little apple pies. The cardboard paper is falling. Yeah, I gotta today. So what I got back there? Greens. Yeah, I know this don't go right there because we on the glory aisle. I got some mixed vegetables back here. Ain't that some? What's the date on these? I'm probably craving mixed vegetables. And when my stuff is lost, I can't enjoy it because it's lost. So I forget which one of these was my Glory. Okay, I'm kind of close. I forgot which one of these was my Glory. Was my Glory down here? Okay, these are some seasoned. Down here we got, oh no, we got more than. We got some chili beans over here. I'm glad to find those. On the days we have instant chili, I just cook the meat and add the beans already done. Voila. So, I wouldn't like that. I don't know why this is like this. I guess we've been eating up a few of the Glory string beans. This gonna be a minute. Greens. Why I got the little greens over here with the big greens? I don't know. There goes some more. Well, how y'all doing today? Hope everybody doing good. Thank you, the ones that keep on returning, coming back to Miss Jenita channel to see what how I'm still fooling with this pantry. Now my back hurting stuff. But I ain't been in here 5 minutes and I'm already tired. still feeling a little bit under the weather and stuff. This mess done got on my nerves to the very last drop. Oh, I got some fruit cocktail. I know I got some fruit around here. What's the date on here? This one say best if used by May 2022. Put this in the refrigerator. Like a pie with some fruit cocktail too. Another bag of the egg noodles. My husband, he loves him some egg noodles. He always be wanting me to put egg noodles in my freaking spaghetti. I be like, man, I don't want no egg noodles in my spaghetti. Let's go over here. I'm trying to, Mr. JENITA. Look at my apron. And I got the freaking hat. If some of y'all seen my series on cooking, is it cooking with these gadgets? And I got my little chef hat and apron. I have fun with that series. Y'all want to watch? Look at my playlist. Okay, what the heck am I doing? Oh, I wanted to see. Oh, I do need to. I gotta make some gravy today. So what we need? We need a little box of chili mac. You know chili mac, that's McCormick's with a glare on it. Ooh, I lied. Well, unknowingly, yellow pepper mix that I'm talking about, I had 15 chicken broths left. More like, where's me something to pull this stuff forward. Handy dandy. Let me see how many I got. I'm gonna use that chicken one. Oh, I got y'all like to show you. Okay, that ain't but 2, 4, 6. I ain't got but 6. Uh-oh, can you see that? 6 chicken broths left. Whoa. I'm talking about 15. Where did I get that? My eyes think I was seeing 15 of these things. Yeah, I need the chicken one for today. And let me see. Walnuts still good. They still in the freezer. What's the date on that? The date is best used by November 12th, 2022. I don't know. They just be decorations like this. Oh, I'm not even got y'all in the picture. I got these for Evil, they was on sale back last year. And this, my dears, is the coffee bar. And look at it. What a mess! Back there we have the kitchen area. I don't know if y'all can see my little signs. Yeah, back there my little signs. Spirit boosters. Spirit boosters. Welcome. Soul food menu and grocery peppers. Rock. I don't know. I don't remember. But anyway, this here is the coffee bar, which needs cleaning. Look, you got dust on it. Let you know we ain't had coffee in a minute. And Miss JENITA ain't been taking care of no business. Look, I got some onion powder back there. I just got that. Still got the T-Team, old salty stuff. And this got some more chicken breast. It's all kind of stuff here. I just need, like I say, declutter, clean up. Look, got fall coffee cups sitting up here. It's cool, it's cool. Oh, I got a whole bunch of onion, which we need a lot of onion powder granulated, although we got plenty of these things. And I guess this is about all I'm gonna share with y'all today. This is the back of my shelf from the kitchen. And I hope they get that situation taken care of. I'm in the freezer, y'all, which very much needs to be defrosted, because it's a mess. I don't have a frost-free freezer. I have one that you got to defrost. Unplug it, take everything out, and hope you hurry and get it done before it's, your food start defrosting. I'll take some warm water and throw in there and help melt the ice. And it shouldn't take me too long. That'll be one of the jobs I do. Like, this is where we go. I just put these things in here, the chicken burger patties, and he want me to create the meal we just had. And although that requires me to make some more chicken burger patties, which I ain't gonna mind. I'll bring y'all along as soon as I get my meat and everything, because I told you that was chicken, grind up chicken, and I put all my little vegetables in there and seasonings. But this time I'm gonna make them flatter. Yep. Ooh, I'm gonna have to start wearing my gloves. My nails are terrible, and it ruins my skin, all that old bleach and everything. But yeah, so I guess I'll be taking these out the freezer, the chicken patties for the meal today. All right, y'all. Miss JENITA go let y'all go. Thank you for coming through. Thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification so that you will know when I put up a video, because it's glitches on YouTube and people saying that they ain't seen my videos in rotation. They ain't even seen me at all. My stuff is in Never Netherland, but always, try and find some kind of way to get back to me. Okay, you might see me on somebody's channel. Okay, and just re-hit the bell. That sometimes reactivates it. There's so many changes on YouTube, so things aren't working like they're supposed to. They doing a lot. Rebooting everything, all kind of new things on YouTube these days. So hopefully y'all find y'all way to my channel, and thank you if you do. Give me a like. Tell me what number you are when you like me. Let me know what number it is. Return often, and comment, and give me 2 minutes of your time. Thank you. Talk to you guys later. Stay safe out there in Ohio. I hope everything works out for you guys, because that's a hot mess. Y'all ain't feeling good. The water's foul, and probably all the water bought up. All right, y'all. Later.